Hi friends, Namaste. Are little children, bundles of joy? Don't they give us lot of happiness? And don't we enjoy their innocence? Here is a class of kindergarten students aged between 3.5 to 4 years, LKG students. And the teacher is trying to teach them conversation in English. So she calls upon one girl to her table, and that little Ujjwala, a bundle of cuteness, she comes to the teacher's table. The teacher takes her close, puts her arm around Ujjwala's shoulder, and she says, "Ujjwala, my dear, can you tell me your mother's name?" Ujjwala says immediately, promptly, "Mummy." The teacher corrects her once again. "Mummy is not her name, Ujjwala. What is your mother's name? Ujjwala once again retorts as "Mummy." The teacher explains it further and tells her, "Ujjwala, your name is Ujjwala. Your friend's name is that. My name is this. Now tell me, what is your mother's name?" Ujjwala says, "Mummy." The teacher cleverly hatches a different plan of getting the real name of the mother from Ujjwala's mouth. And so the teacher asks her, "Tell me now, Ujjwala, what does your daddy call your mummy?" Ujjwala's answer was, "Darling. Daddy calls mummy darling." So this is what children are, full of purity, full of innocence and truth. There was another class of Standard 2, and the boys and girls of Standard 2 are very smart, highly energetic, and the teacher was teaching them general knowledge class, GK class. So the teacher was asking them some questions about who certain people were. And one of those questions was, who is P.T. Usha? This was quite some time back, some years ago. So the teacher's question was, who is P.T. Usha? Around 10 to 12 hands were up, and then one boy stood up. The teacher allowed him to answer, and he says, "P.T. Usha is P.T. Master's wife." So, children can be amazing. Their classes can be really entertaining. And lucky are the teachers of primary classes to deal with these kind of innocent little buds growing into beautiful flowers in the garden of life. Here is a song a mother sings for her child, and I'm sure all the Telugu speaking people will love it. అమ్మ దొంగ నిన్ను చూడకుంటే నాకు బెంగ, అమ్మ దొంగ నిన్ను చూడకుంటే నాకు బెంగ, కొంగొట్టుకు తిరుగుతూ ఏవో ప్రశ్నలు అడుగుతూ, నా కొంగొట్టుకు తిరుగుతూ ఏవో ప్రశ్నలు అడుగుతూ, తళతళమని నవ్వుతూ కాలం గడిపే నిన్ను చూడకుంటే నాకు బెంగ, అమ్మ దొంగ నిన్ను చూడకుంటే నాకు బెంగ, కథ చెప్పేదాకా కంటని దురరాక, కథ చెప్పేదాకా నీవు నిదురపోక, కథ చెప్పేదాకా నన్ను కదలనీక, మాటతో చదీక మూతి ముడిచి చూసేవు, అమ్మ దొంగ నిన్ను చూడకుంటే నాకు బెంగ, వితే నీ కళ్ళు ముచ్చాలు రాలు, ఆ నవ్వే నిన్ను వీడక ఉంటే అది చాలు, కలతలు కష్టాలు నీ దరికి రాక కలకాలము నీ బ్రతుకు కలల దారి నడవాలి. అమ్మ దొంగ నిన్ను చూడకుంటే నాకు బెంగ. పొంగొట్టుకు తిరుగుతూ ఏవో ప్రశ్నలడుగుతూ తలతలమని నవ్వుతూ కాలం గడిపే నిన్ను చూడకుంటే నాకు బెంగ. అమ్మ దొంగ నిన్ను చూడకుంటే నాకు బెంగ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.